GM. So today, as you can see, I'm in this short position, XLM. I am up 2.8 thousand USD, and as you can see, it's not demo because one day somebody asked me, "Isn't that a demo account?" When it's demo account, is written here, demo. Let me show it to you. So this is the demo account, as you can see, and when I'm in, right, it's processing. When you are in your demo account like this is the same thing. As you can see, it's telling me here, demo account by bit. So this is how you tell if you are in a demo account or not. And that as well here is telling me to go to the live because I'm in demo account. So this is a demo account. So let's go back to the live account. As you can see, 2.8K. And of course, your question is how I caught this trade. Guys, again, it's the simple thing as always. If you want to catch trades like this, of course, if you're watching this from YouTube and you don't have the tools I'm using to catch this type of moves, it will be hard for you. So let me show it to you here. As you can see, I've got, let me turn off everything. I've got this charts opened, XLM here in a 1 hour time frame, BTC here in the 1 hour time frame, BTC here in 1 minute, XLM in 1 minute. All right. So what I'm doing here is simple. I am using liquidity to take decisions. And guys, for those who are already using liquidity indicator, you know how it works. I first made, I think 4K or something like this when the market dropped all the way down here. Let me turn this on. When the market dropped all the way down here, I made money. Why? It's simple, because when you go back, where is the replay here? When you go back around this point, I was in a long position here. And then I was expecting the market to take all this liquidity, guys, you know. But when you remember about liquidity battle, if you don't know what liquidity battle is, go and watch the liquidity battle lesson. All right. When I was here, we took all this liquidity, and then I was expecting for a liquidity battle because I saw that we have some type of equality, even though we have this liquidity here. And then I saw as well accumulated liquidity. After seeing that, I saw that this accumulated liquidity is also old liquidity. And again, if you're not understanding, go watch the lesson. So there is also old liquidity. The market started failing here, and down below in the description, you will see the lessons. Started failing here, and then when it rised again for the second time, because I always tell you this, the market gives you a second chance to exit. When it rised again for a second chance, I exited because I understood that this was a failure. And then my plan was to close the desk and close everything and not trade again. And this is what I advise you guys. If you make profit, we made profit when we went up, grabbing all this liquidity at the top. So you gotta take a break. But I didn't want to take a break. I wanted to go down with the market again. I waited for a second chance to get in when it goes up, and I waited, and here, this was when I got in because I saw the failure, the patterns of failure there. And then, where is my short? There you go. I entered around here, stop loss. I gave a room here, up here, gave a space to the market because I knew that if we break above this level, it's because we are actually failing. All right. And then when I got in there, I entered my position. The market pushed a little bit, as you can see, and then it dropped as expected. But when it dropped, I started seeing the same thing. The market came down, failed. Sorry, the market came here, failed, went up, failed again. And then around here, what happened is that I was like, if the market goes all the way up there, I'm taking my profit. And then I saw this, I got scared, I took profit here. It was around 4 or 3 point something K. I took profit. And then I saw something, that the market was literally never breaking above this level. Look, it went up, failed, it went up, failed, it went up, failed. And I was like, if it fails again, I'm getting in. Then the market went up here, it was failing here at this point. What I did, I got in my other short position because, of course, the market was dumping. A lot of liquidity still to get there. What I did is I shrank my stop loss because I was like, I don't want to risk a lot because the market is failing a lot. So if it breaks here, it will be a big candle. Why? Because I taught you guys, again, go watch my lessons and you understand why the market does this. The link is in the description. So as you can see, the market was here, and then I gave it just a little bit of space because I understand that if we break here, it will be a big candle, not be just a fake small candle. And then I got in this position to see how the market will go. And right now, as I speak, the market is still going down. We might take all this liquidity, we might not as well. All right, it's what we expect, is what we want the market to do, to take all this liquidity down here. And right here on Bybit, this is the same position I'm in. All right, I shorted the first time in my other account, and then I shorted the second time, in this account. All right, and if the market ends up going lower or starting to show me signs of failure, I'm exiting, right? As you can see, my stop loss is here. This is what I told you guys. I never have a take profit like I'm good with this. No, I don't usually do this. I just got in a position, wait to see failure, and when I see failure, I exit the position. So what you gotta do, if you're not using this indicator, you gotta consider using it, because for me this is game changer, guys. It's obvious. I'm not gonna lie to you. Before I created this indicator, I was not making money with trading at all. I was actually not making out. I'm not gonna say that I was making a little bit of money. I was not making money at all. I was losing. So after creating this indicator, with experience I had along the journey and some incredible people I've met that showed me this and explained me in the market, I ended up getting this indicator, and this is the greatest indicator you can have today. Link is in description.